Hello and welcome to a new video from the Evolve series. In this video I will show you how to activate the CMS rules and how to use them afterwards. Because from the Evolve plan onwards, rule-based display of content is possible with the CMS rules. So use the rule builder to determine which target groups you display which shop content to. Use this for target group specific targeting or discount and promotion campaigns. Create content that is dependent on the time of day, shopping cart content, or customer status. There are many unique options that you can map as from the Evolve plan in combination with the rule builder. So first of all, we have to install and activate the extensions. For this, we go to Extensions and then My Extensions. Here we have the possibility to install the extension and then activate it. And after this is done, we go to the shopping experiences. Here we can, of course, now create a new shopping experience, but we can also add a rule to a already existing one. So in our example, I'll just open the home page and add a rule to a block or this image. So to do this, we just click on the block or this image, for example. And then on the right hand side in the dashboard, you can see that we've got the section rules. When we open the tab, we see a rule that has already been saved with always visible. This means that this photo or image is always visible in the storefront by default. But we can, of course, expand this to new display rules from the rule builder. If we open this drop-down menu, we can see that all created or already existing rules are shown, but we can, of course, create a new rule here at the top. If we create a new rule, we get a pop-up menu where we can then add all our conditions. On our YouTube channel, you can also find a video about the rule builder in general and Google Images, which is important if you set rules for images, where we go into more detail about this individual point. Below, you can see the option visible if rule does not apply. By default, it is always visible if the rule applies, but we can, of course, change this so that the content is visible if the rule does not apply. So let's create a rule. I'll just call it example, set the priority. In our example, I want to, or we could use this if you want to make a category area or this block, this image, visible to customers as soon as they have made more than 10 purchases in our shop. So let's just set the conditions. So total value of completed orders is greater than equal to, and then 10. So the image would be visible if our customer has already completed 10 orders. After that, you just have to click on save, and don't forget to save in general.